Hi Capricorn and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of October is going to be for you, your health, wealth, relationship, money, career, soul growth, chakra of the month, number of the month, color of the month, mental exercise of the month. What is that one thing that you need to take care of for the whole month, and what will happen if you follow the advices of the cards? How will they change the month for you? So this month is actually a month where you need to deal with two things in particular. One is your emotions, so you need to heal any of your past traumas or childhood traumas or any emotions that you are not addressing. Second, this month you'll have to completely let go of the focus from being a provider. So you have that thing in your mind, or you think that you are the provider, you need to earn for others, you need to earn for provide the growth, or it is your path to actually keep on earning, keep on providing and keep on balancing things, and you need to take care of everyone. This is one thing that you have to move away from this month, and you have to actually focus on yourself, healing yourself, your emotions. And if you do that, your center card is Empress and Emperor. So basically, Emperor is somebody who is not in touch with his emotions at all, and Empress is all about emotions and growth and her growth and others' growth. So this is the journey that you have to complete this month. So where you are in touch with your grounded self, your real self, and being a provider like King of Pentacles, grounded, being a provider, thinking of how to earn money, thinking of I'm responsible for everything and everyone, and I have my experiences, I know everything. To also, do I love myself enough? Do I take care of myself enough? And only when I take care of myself will I be able to flow that growth outside. This is the journey that you need to complete this month. You need to keep yourself open this month, very important. Keep yourself open, keep yourself active, both things very important. Follow your intuitions, but get that difference between intuition and emotion. And also, whatever you deserve will come your way, so don't focus too much on how much money you are earning or how much you are not earning, or how much do you have to give or get, because whatever you deserve will come your way. Also, this month is a big chance when you heal your past, and if you heal your past, you will actually see you moving towards much brighter and beautiful future. First 2 weeks there could be little juggling, but post that I see kind of a balance coming into your life, rather growth, a breakthrough happening in your life. So let's just start with your health. So for your health, because the king and the queen both are sitting, and there is a king that's sitting and there is another king that's sitting, I kind of see that there could be a problem with your limbs and legs or your back. Now this also, if you see, there is this person who's sitting with a straight back, blindfolded, and that is why I kind of, and balancing two swords, so shoulders. So basically this month I see you not much of the trouble otherwise, but problems with your body aches. It could be back, it could be neck, it could be head, it could be eyes. But yes, with your bodies, legs, limbs, with your body aches is going to be something that's going to be there, and you need to address. Though I see you juggling with it for first 2 weeks of the month, and then slowly and gradually things will start becoming better. But for that, what is important is you're not focused on yourself. Empress focused on herself. Important to heal herself. So important to heal yourself before you start healing the world, or before you start doing things for the other. It is important to be connected with yourself, and it is important to think about what you need to do, think about how can you improve your life, think about what are the things that life is telling you to do, what is this situation that I'm closed for. And when you open your heart, when you open yourself to receive things, when you open yourself to take care of yourself, love yourself, heal your emotions, heal your childhood traumas, that is the time when actually your health problems will start moving away. And this is a big opportunity this month, so please focus on this. Second, take care of your water intake this month. I see a lot of water cards, so waters are emotions, so take care of your emotions. And also waters are literally like water, so take care of what kind of water are you having, and are you having enough water or not. Also I see you in the beginning of the month, it might be some juggling with two sides of people, like two types of people. It could be some juggling with your emotions related to different people, or it could be some juggling with emotions where you're feeling blindfolded, or you're not feeling feeling balanced. That is happening because you think it is your duty to provide, and you think that you don't have emotions, you think that you are not emotionally troubled, you think that you don't invest your emotions, but it looks like you invest a lot of your emotions in other people and less of your emotions in yourself. So emotional healing, very important this month. If we talk about your wealth, 4 of Pentacles, 2 of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles. Though I don't see money problem, but this month you need to be careful with 2 things. One, as much as possible, don't focus on how much money you have or how much less you have or how much you want or how much you need to kind of hold on to. Second, whatever you get, just know that you deserve that, and know that once you accept that with wholeheartedly, once you accept that, once you are thankful for what you have, you're going to have much more. 3, don't invest your money anywhere, at least for first 2 weeks of the month. 4, don't give your money to anybody unless you don't want it back. 5, if you're getting into a contract or agreement with anybody, know and ensure that whoever is putting in how much money has the terms and conditions of the contract accordingly. So if you're putting more money, more profit should come to you. If you're putting less, more money, more profit should go to the other person. So ensure that you express yourself, ensure that you are very careful about the terms and conditions of the contract, and ensure that you're not focused only upon I need to get into it because I need to earn. So this is the focus that you have to let go of this month. Even if you don't do much for others will be able to take care of themselves. But this is the month where you have to take care of yourself and work for yourself, because once you see the growth, if you see Empress, she's sitting in a very comfortable chair, and there is growth, there is crops here, there's water, there are trees here. So if you are comfortable and if you see growth for yourself, you will see growth for others as well. So this is the month that is going to teach you that. From your love or relationships perspective, I see 2 very powerful people coming together. So but the problem is, this one person is not connected with his emotions at all. So there are no emotions, or he's killed his emotions, or he thinks that he's not connected with his emotions. He works upon experiences, so he's very much on towards his experience, what he's learned from life, and he's not ready to learn anything else from anyone else. Now if you see the other person, she's in her comfort, she's in her zone, she loves to take care of herself, and she loves to nurture others, take care of others. So this is more about emotional growth, this is more about emotional healing. But at the same time, because this person is not connected or not ready to learn, now there will be a difference between both of them, or a push and pull between both of them. And that is why it is very important to identify which one you are, and it's very important for you to bring in that balance in your life. So if you're over emotional, bring in little more balance into your life of practicality. But from your cards, I can say that you are actually over practical, or you actually don't address your emotions. And this month, that emotional address is going to happen. Life is going to push you towards it, and your relationships will also push you towards it. If you're looking forward for something new in your life is all about people this month. King of Cups, King of Pentacles, Empress, Emperor. So your life is all about Emperor again, all about people. 10 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles, 2 of Cups, all about other people around your life. And that is when it is very important for you to look within. If you're looking for a relationship, the relationship will come across. Looking for the proposal will come across. It might just take first 2 weeks of the month. Looking for marriage, that can also happen this month. Cards are very positive. If you're looking for having a baby, pregnancy is like short. Like parenthood is something that if you're looking forward to that is going to happen this month. Undoubtedly, there are multiple cards that are showing it. So that's one thing that is going to be there, but you'll need to be open for that. You'll need to know to take care of yourself and not feel blinded emotionally or struggled emotionally, pulled and pushed between 2 parts. And it might just take first 2 weeks of the month, so little struggle. But this month I would suggest you Deal with your emotions, deal with whatever it is of your past that is not healed. Deal with, this is an opportunity for you. Once you deal with it, there is growth, there is happiness, there is family, there is everything, your independence. But you have to deal with it. Your job and career, opportunities, growth, both the things are there. So opportunities are there, growth is present, so you'll grow also, you'll have new opportunities also. If you were blindfolded, if you're not sure about how life is going, I don't have a job, or when will I get a job, a little bit more struggle, like a week or two, but you should have something, provided you are open, provided you go out, provided you explore, provided you believe in yourself, provided you let go of that need of I don't have enough, I have to earn more, I need to earn for others, I need to earn for my family because I'm a provider, I need to continue providing everybody because I'm a provider. You'll have to move away from that mindset. And if you don't have a job, that's happened because you need to move away from that mindset. The moment you start healing yourself, the moment you start believing you always have enough, the moment you start believing everything flows towards you, the moment you start believing you get what you deserve and you always get more than that, that is when everything is going to change. Bring in that change this month. Travel is on the cards. Definitely there is a possibility of travel. If we and again, if you get into a contract, terms and conditions should be very clear. If we talk about your soul path, this month is all about intuitions and emotional healing. So this month is all about emotional healing and intuitions, and with you the problem is at times you understand or misunderstand your emotions to be your intuitions and your intuitions to be your emotions. So get that segregation this month. Write down whatever you think is your intuition and then follow up on it and see had this come true, and write down anything that you feel is your emotion and then again look if that has come true. You'll be able to segregate between your emotions and your intuition. That will help you actually balance, that will help you heal your emotions. And like I said, emotional healing or childhood trauma healing or any emotions, not necessarily childhood, until now, whatever emotions or emotional pains related to your family, related to your people around you, related to how your life has been, whatever you have kept inside, this month is very important for you to heal all of that, let go of all of that and begin a new life for yourself. For your chakras of the month, there are two chakras. There is sacral and solar plexus. Very well ties up with how we see the cards of this month, because all your emotions reside in these two chakras. So please heal your emotions, going to be very important. The mantra for the sacral chakra is Vam, so you can chant Vam. Mantra for the solar plexus is Ram, so you can chant Ram. Also, there are a lot of meditations that are available on YouTube. Please watch them and meditate this month. It's very important for you. The mental exercise of the month is breakthrough. If you see, this person is actually breaking through something that is put like a wall around himself. It's a card of justice also. So the cards are very clear this month that whatever you've put around you as a wall, whatever you've put around you that was keeping you inside, this is the month where you break through that. So you can affirm this month, I allow myself to heal all my past. I allow myself to heal all my emotions. I allow myself to heal all the things that I've kept in my mind that were not allowing me to go to my soul path. I'm ready to move ahead towards my soul growth. I'm ready to move ahead towards growth and abundance, learning. I allow myself to connect with myself. I allow myself to heal myself, and I allow myself to let go of the need to attract similar situations or similar negative situations in my life again. I'm always flowing towards abundance. Everything that I deserve comes to me always, and I'm completely, fully emotionally healed. I let go of the need to be a provider for everyone. I'm connected to myself, and thereby I see growth in my life, and that growth flows to everyone else in my life. You can actually do this affirmation. This is going to be really helpful. Number of the month for you is going to be number 2 and number 6, and color of the month, any shade of orange, yellow or golden is going to be good for you. If you like the videos, please press the subscribe button. It helps, and like button, because It makes videos searchable, and share the videos with everyone that you can. So what is that one thing that you need to take care of this whole month? And there are two, and that's very much tied up with what your cards are saying. I don't see any wand on your cards which is about career and which is about growth, like or fire, passion basically. And I just see one sword. So basically your cards are all about emotions and money, these two things, and then emotional growth. And that is why these cards are saying Two of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, Two of Cups. These are saying that one, you need to be connected with yourself, start loving yourself, start caring for yourself, start healing your past, start healing yourself. And second, Ten of Pentacles. So once you heal yourself, once you start connecting with yourself and healing your past or emotions, you'll start connecting with others in your life, and thereby you'll start attracting abundance in your life. So you'll be a provider undoubtedly, because your card is like that, your nature is like that, your zodiac is like that. But it is very important for you to heal yourself before you become that. And what will happen if you follow the advice of the card? If you see, there is an emperor here, but there is a difference between this emperor and this emperor. This emperor, there is no growth behind him. It's all plain. There are mountains or hills, but there is no growth on them. He's sitting and he's only focused on himself. He's sitting and he's only focused with within himself, his own growth, his own ideas, his own thoughts. He doesn't even listen to anybody. He doesn't even believe that somebody can teach him anything. If you see, this emperor is completely different. He's holding a wand in his hand. So there's passion, there is growth, there is thinking of life. Also, there is a person behind him who's looking at him. So there are other people who he's connected with. He's healed himself, he's healed his past, he's healed his emotions, and that is why he's not only working for his own growth, but he has his passions alive. He's working for the growth. Other people are also looking at him for their growth, and he is also working on his growth. And there are stars and there is light. There are small little stars or lights like that's everywhere. And that is why it is important that he's glowing with that light or that growth. And that is why this month you have to actually complete this journey from here to here. And if you follow all the advices that I've given you, or the cards have given you, you'll be able to actually complete that journey. Also, there are a lot of videos on my channel about soul growth, about there is a series that I've started about tarot learning, so you can learn tarot free of cost. And there are a lot of other videos, positivity, good things of life, how you can make your home positive, what is God. There's a lot of them. So please watch those videos if they'll be beneficial to you, and if they are, please share them with everyone that you can, and leave the comments. That's very important for me. And also, if you want your personalized tarot reading, you can contact me through the Facebook link that is provided in the description box, or through the comment section. You just have to write, I need a reading. I will share my number and we'll take that forward from there. If you have any questions on which you want me to make videos, you can like the generic questions, you can send those questions to me through comments. And just take care of yourself. Know that emotional healing is very important for you this month. Two things very important: you will heal your emotions and don't be focused on being a provider. If you take care of these two things, if you actually heal yourself, there's growth. There is immense growth in the months that are coming up for you. So just take care of your month. I'll see you with my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.